Is this considered the leg and boot square?
Yes, it is.
There isn't a plaque or anything, is there? Telling the story? It's in this book that I'm doing a YouTube series of 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss.
Yeah, our friend lives here. He's just about to come down. He would know.
People don't realize that it got its name from a leg and a boot being washed up on shore.
Oh, no way.
That's awesome.
Every year there's a foot somewhere in Vancouver.
The government has changed that. They allow renters now in condos.
Oh yeah.
Doug doesn't have to leave.
Nothing seems to go well. Everyone has a day like that. Don't need to worry, it's okay to slow down and take a little break. Tomorrow will be a new day, so just rest up today. You'll be stronger, 'cause you're storing up your energy today. Lay yourself throw anything with the white clouds.
So the book says 1428 Granville. It's a Vietnamese restaurant now, so it's not there. It's a few streets over at 1451 Hornby Street, Long Table Distillery. A restaurant lounge known for its cucumber cocktails, I think. Anyway, I'm sure there's some good people here. It looks like they got plumbing troubles. We can look through the window there and see them having the plumbing troubles. And we'll have to make it another time. They are closed. And so, we are off to see the wizard. Not really, just kidding. That's the Canada West building. That's Lynn Cafe. It's actually French cooking. And this is 1428. Not the long table, and the long table's closed in any case. So, that's life in the fast lane. Time to move on. Lord Byng High School. Vancouver is known as the northern version of Hollywood, Hollywood North. And this high school has been the scene for quite a number of movies, as well as producing a few people that are in the movies or in television series. Especially, probably most well known as it was the school Riverdale in the Archie Veronica series, the comic books. And it's in the book, 111 Places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss. So we thought we'd spend about a minute here just showing you where the school is. Corner of Crown and West 16th here in beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. It's a beautiful day here in Vancouver, as you can tell. Here in the early part of 2023, sun is shining today. In between a few days of rain and a little bit of snow, we got a nice one. So we're going to try to get as many spots as we can inside of this series. And so let's go to the next one. All right.